Today we are talking about two very popular web hosting platforms, HostGator and HostGator. If you want to build a website, one of the first thing you need is web hosting. Hosting is the place where your website files are stored so people can visit your site on the internet. Many beginners get confused when choosing between different hosting providers because many of them offer similar kind of features. Hostinger and HostGator are two well-known companies that millions of website owners use. In this video, we will compare these two hosting platforms and help you to understand which one might be the better option for your website. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and we share the useful tools that help you to grow you online. Today we are comparing Hostinger and HostGator so you can decide which hosting platform fits for your needs. I also placed helpful links in the description where you can explore these hosting services and check available deals. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and also don't forget to use the link from description. By using that link, any available offer or benefit that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video and let's understand the differences between these two hosting platforms. First, let's talk about the pricing and the value. Both Hostinger and HostGator that offer very affordable plans for beginners who want to launch a website without spending too much money. However, Hostinger, this is usually considered the more budget-friendly option. Many of its plans start at a lower price and still include the useful features like a free domain, SSL, and the website builder. HostGator also offers competitive pricing, but the renewal cost is usually higher compared to the Hostinger plans. Another important factor is performance and website speed. Website speed is very important because faster websites give a better experience to visitors and can help with search rankings. Hostinger uses light speed web servers and modern NVMe storage on some of their plans, which can help websites to load faster. HostGator also provides this solid performance, but its infrastructure is more traditional and maybe slightly slower in some of the cases. Next, let's talk about the ease of use. Basically, both platforms are beginner friendly, but they work a little differently. Hostinger uses its own custom control panel called Ace Panel. This dashboard is designed to be simple and clean, so beginner can easily manage domain, email accounts, and websites. HostGator uses the traditional cPanel system, which many developers and experienced users already know. So, if you're already familiar with the cPanel, HostGator may feel more comfortable. Now, let's look at features and resources. Hostinger often includes more storage and allows more websites on its entry-level plans. For example, many Hostinger plans allow hosting many websites with large SSD storage. HostGator basic plan usually support 10 websites as you can see, and it has the same kind of storage compared to the Hostinger's smaller plan. So both platforms still include the important feature like SSL security, website builders, and email hosting. Custom support is another area where people compare these two platforms. Hostinger mainly focuses on live chat support and online help resources. HostGator also provides the live chat, but additionally it supports the phone support, which some users prefer when they want to talk directly with a support agent. Finally, let's talk about the reliability. Both hosting companies promise around 99.9% uptime, which means your website is stay online most of the time. However, performance tests and monitoring often show hosting are slightly ahead with faster loading speed and slightly higher uptimes result. So which hosting platform is better for you? The answer depends on what you need. If you want affordable hosting with modern technology and faster performance, then Hostinger can be a great choice for you. If you prefer the traditional tools like cPanel and you want the phone support, then HostGator might be more suitable for you. In simple word, both platforms are good for the beginner who want to launch a website, but Hostinger usually offer better value and performance, while HostGator focus on traditional hosting tools and support options. That's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on easy access tech. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Don't forget to check the description so any available offer that can be applied automatically. I will see you in the next video. Take care and choose the hosting platform that fits your website goals.